Nandito po tayo ngayon. Ang programa po ay nag-isipin tulay sa dalawang panig na hindi pa nag-uusap. Papasukin na po sa pula ang babaeng kumanantari sa asawang lalaki nitong kapitbahay. Emmy. Tara. So, nga mga gusto mo na panahon eh, no? Hindi ako natamaan niya. So, natamaan ko mga apat na bakit ako lang. Anong boss? Puta na! Bakla, ganun din naman yung nakakawin sa akin. Bakla, it's a time. Tayo na.
We don't talk the way you It's hurting so deep.
Ha! Oh, bakla. Anong feeling? Masakit
I'm
ba?
not your superwoman. Hindi ako si Dana. I'm not the kind of girl that you can let down. Think that everything's okay, for I am only you.
This girl!
This girl, more than a vision of hearts is a token of love from you to me.
Kumata sa mataas.
Found my way to the shop, trying to make it home just for you.
To make sure that your dinner will be waiting for you. When you get there, you just tell me you're not hungry
Meron pa.
at all. You said you'd rather
Kaso hindi na siya
be
ganun ka-crunch.
baby, and you don't want to tell me.
Think I'm just crazy, but instead of you have changed.
You don't love me the same. You're just going through the motions, and you're not being fair. I've got my pride, I will not cry. Still, I can't help my care.
I'm not your superwoman. I'm not the kind of girl
That you can
Hoy,
let
after
down,
mo
think that everything's okay.
Oh, kasi tattoo sa February.
This girl is more than a kiss, you know how to
Uy,
talking
na tayo.
about
Mag-reach na lang tayo. Pero malamang summer pa to. Mag-bora tayo next year.
Tara!
Eh kasi summer, baka lang kapit na lang. Kasi nagsimagura kaya.